Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show step-by-step process how you can easily change a DNS server in your Windows 11. Now, if this video will be helpful guys, you can support me, subscribe, and also write down below in the comments that this video actually helped you. So when other people will come here, they will know too that it's like good. Now, what you want to do is pretty straightforward, is write in a search, settings. Okay, I'm going to click settings right here. And then you would have like find settings, change adapter. Let me show you like this. Control panel. And here it is. So let me show you. We would go control panel, network and internet. And when you're going to be network and internet, you want to go to right here. And let's say here it is. So we went to network and sharing center, change adapter settings, and then we would have it right here. And then when you're gonna have like all the connections here, you want to right click on it and click properties. And when you're gonna be right here, you're gonna have the internet protocol version, properties, and use the following DNS server address. And you just like write it down there. So this is pretty much it, and this is how we do it. So yep, you need to go to control panel, then network, internet, network and sharing center, and change adapter settings. And that's how we get there. Have a great day guys, and goodbye. See ya.